Hello friends, welcome to the Queen of Fashion. Friends, today we present stylish gown with superb embroidery thread work, and then we have the latest kurti with Plazzo which is fully stitched, and then we have the embroidered anarkali gown and Georgette Saree with border work, and much more to see further. We hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like and share. For any queries or communication, you can also visit our Facebook page, The Queen of Fashion. The link is also provided in the description. Thank you and see you soon.